Good morning, everyone. So, we will be using this platform so that we can continue our class. Okay? So, first, we will be having a quick review about what we have discussed last meeting. So, I have here an illustration tackling about the history of atoms. So, here I am sharing my screen showing the atomic models through the history, wherein we can see that these are the illustrations for the different types of models. So first we have the billiard ball, second the plum pudding, third nuclear model, planetary or the solar system model, and the quantum model. So for our review, let's guess who discovered such model. So for this one, the spare or the billiard ball model. Sometimes billiard ball model is also called the spare model. So who discovered this one? It is It is John Dalton. So for the second model, we have plum pudding model. So nano kasi naton mandaanan? Plum pudding or pudding. Sino gani hilig mo kaon sang pudding? Ang ere nga si Tom. So we have Thomson. So who discovered the plum pudding model? We have J.J. Thomson or Joseph John Thomson. Next, we have the nuclear model, the nuclear. So from the word itself, the last letter for the nuclear is R. So who discovered this one? Rutherford. So amin na siya itong mandaanan ha. Ang first kay letter R. So amin na siya Rutherford. Next, we have the planetary model or the solar system model. Sino naka-discover sini? It is Niels Bohr. Solar System Model, Niels Bohr. Ang ends, ang name ni Neil, kay S. So, Solar System Model, also called or also known as the Planetary Model. And lastly, we have the Quantum Mechanical Model or the Quantum Model. Sino naka-discover sini? Duha ka buok. It is Schrödinger and Heisenberg.